Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, crispy fried chicken. Today I will be sharing with you a very easy and simple way of making crispy fried chicken. Usually on most occasions I usually bring this to a party and it finished within no time. So these are some of the ingredients that you're going to need: a combination of spices, flour, cornstarch, and chicken of choice. So friends, let's jump right into the recipe. What I have is 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, half a cup of all-purpose flour. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add my mixed spices. So friends, for this recipe, you certainly can use any chicken of choice. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and baste my chicken with a bit of oil. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add 4 tablespoons of yellow mustard. Next, friend, you want to go ahead and lightly baste your chicken with a bit of spices. At this point, we're going to avoid as much since we already had spices to our flour. Next, you want to go ahead and give it a good rub using your hand or a gloves, which preferable. So friends, once fully seasoned and marinate, overnight preferable. Of course, when it comes to taste and flavor, does make a big difference. At this point, I'm going to go right ahead and set it aside for 20 minutes before frying. Next friends, before frying, we're going to go right ahead and lightly baste our chicken with the batter that we created earlier. So here we are friend, looks amazing. Next we're going to go right ahead and add them to our oil. So friends, after 10 minutes, I'm just going to go right ahead and give them a quick turn. My friend, at this point we are all done. I hope you give this recipe a try, and also please let me know in the comment section. And also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up. Crispy fried chicken recipe. Thanks for watching. Until next time.